Hey everybody, welcome to day 9. Today we're going to be working on the side waist again like we did on day 3. You will need one prop, which is a blanket that you can make deep enough to support this part of your head when you're laying down. Okie dokie, when you've got it, I will see you on your side. So come down onto the side, bringing the knees together and the ankles together. Come down onto the shoulder, placing the head on the blanket being supported, and this bottom arm is just sticking out in front to help support the body. Bringing your awareness to the top ankle, we're going to do something called eversion of the ankle, which is taking the outer blade of the ankle and then rolling it up towards the outside of the knee. So it's a very small movement, but what it does is it wakes up the outside of the leg. So do a couple of these. And then relax, bringing the awareness to the top half of the body, taking the top hand and cradling the head, grabbing hold of the ear, and then using the shoulder and arm, lifting the head up. Feels good in the neck and coming down. Again, lift. And when you do this, what's going on elsewhere? Are you really flexing your feet? What about the waist? One more of these. And then release down. Wonderful. Now coming back again to the lower body, lifting this lower leg up and internally rotating this thigh bone and come back down. A couple of these. This is enlivening the whole of the outside of the leg. Excellent. Then the top arm is extended long. Lift it right up to the shoulder as much as you can and then pull it away as if you're trying to grab that top ankle. Back to neutral. Pull away. How does it feel? One more. Pulling away. And then relax. And then bringing the hand to the hip. We'll do the opposite movement. Hitching the hip up towards this armpit. And then away. And as you do this, what's going on the other side of the waist? What's going on in the side of the neck? Where can you feel it? And relax. Now we're going to put this all together. So taking the top hand, cradling the head, and then lifting up, and then lifting the leg at the same time. So we're scrunching this side body. And come down. Again, lift everything and down, lifting up again and down. One more, lift and down. Pause for a moment and reflect. Where did you feel it? How's the shoulder doing and the neck? And then we'll move to the other side. Coming around. So second side often means a different story. Coming down, getting your neck and head support, arm extended in front. And we'll start with that eversion of the ankle. A couple of these, just tipping the outside of the foot towards that knee. And then the top arm comes over and we cradle the head. Then using the strength of that, lifting the head up and coming down, lifting up, coming down, lifting and down. Excellent. Then back to the lower leg, lifting the leg up and down. So enlivening and waking up the whole of this top outer leg. And then release. Excellent. Then taking the top arm, we scrunch it up to the shoulder as much as possible and then pull it away. Back to normal. Pull away, lengthening the side of the neck, stretching away. And again. And then the top arm comes on, or the top hand rather, comes to the top hip, Hitch this hip up towards the armpit and then lengthen away. Noticing what's going on in this other side of the waist as you do this movement. One more. And release. And then we put it all together. The top arm comes over, grabbing the head, and then lifting up the lower leg and the head at the same time, crunching in this side plane and come down. Lift. What's going on in the bottom foot? What's going on in the bottom waist? How is your jaw? How is the shoulder? Either one. And then release down, settle for a moment, and then come up to a comfortable seat. If you have time, I would recommend doing day 3 again, because that was also working on the sideways. We did a lot of activation there. Day 3 is that long banana stretch, and it might feel really nice after this class. Anyway, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day.